Hello, hello, hello. And it's Stephanie here from HMO Heaven again. And I'm outside one of our properties because I want to talk to you about rubbish and recycling because it can be a pain, can't it? So let's go inside, and that's what I'm going to tell you about. We're in our HMO tips series where I take you behind the scenes in our business and the tips and tricks we use to keep everything running smoothly. It's the little things that have the big impact. Hello, so we're inside now, and I'm just sitting here in the lounge. Well, I'm not quite sitting. I'm just sitting here in the lounge now, just to have a little chat with you about recycling and rubbish. So what happens here in Newport is that you can only have one big wheelie bin per property. That's all, but you can have as many recycling things as you want. So obviously what that means is it's really important for everyone to recycle. No, that doesn't always happen. So what we've found is that 3 things have really helped to improve how we've been able to manage the rubbish and recycling at all of our HMO properties. And the first one is that now when people check in, we go through an online check-in checklist with them that tells them everything that they need to know about the property that they're moving to, and that includes about the recycling, and we show them, and I'll show you in a moment. Well, I'm going into 2 things. So there's the check-in checklist. So with that, we go through what goes where and how to recycle. We explain that we can only get 1 rubbish bin because lots of people then we're asking for an additional bin. We are not allowed even to buy privately additional bin. The council won't remove that extra rubbish. So we explain the recycling in detail, show and tell, and that has really helped. So that's the first thing. Then the second thing that we do is we also, at each property, and I will show you that, we have a picture which shows exactly what should go where for the recycling, and that's really helped as well, because sometimes people are well-meaning and they think, yeah, okay, we'll have a go with this recycling, but they're not sure what to put where. So this is in every property, so people can just easily see what goes where. So that's the second thing. And having those 2 things working in tandem usually works, but sometimes it doesn't work. So the third thing is that we let people know, both at check-in and in the guide, the house guide that we give, that if we need to make extra collections, if we need to organise a private rubbish collection, we have a guy who will do this for us. We can do that, but we will charge the housemates. So, and that's the third thing. And with all those 3 things, mainly it's just education, making sure that all of that information is easily on hand and available to all of our tenants, and that we take a bit of time to explain it to them at the start. That combined with that we will provide the extra collections, but the housemates do need to then pay for them, has helped us to really combat that problem. So I'd love to know what has worked for you. Please tell me in the comments what works for you with your waste and recycling at your HMOs. And finally, let me tell you about HMO Heroes. If you love HMOs, or you're just starting out in HMO investing, or you're experienced already, we'd love to see you over at HMO Heroes Facebook group for inspiration, motivation, and information, and also to carry on the conversation. So do join us over at Facebook, search for HMO Heroes. And if you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you with us. Bye for now.